Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a great summer. Today I have vinyl, so let's get into it and check it out. This is the Vinyl Summer Fun Quarterly Box, and it is so much fun. You get lifestyle products, which is what this box is full of. You get but with my code, 3 bottles of wine each quarter, and they have added a $5 off coupon. We get the box 4 times a year. It is $64.99, but with a $5 off coupon for your first box, it will be $59.99 plus. I will put my code Kathrin below along with the link, and with that code, when you sign up, instead of receiving 2 bottles of wine for the lifetime of your subscription, you will receive 3 bottles. So I have 3 bottles of wine here and the lifestyle box. I love this box for the diversity. I think it's fun that it's wine, but it's also lifestyle. And I think it's fun that it's lifestyle, but it's also wine. I saved this here because I wanted to show you guys. I show it each time because I am super impressed. This is like a huge egg carton. It's just a big piece of, it's kind of cardboardy, but it's different than that. And the wine slips right inside and it comes like this. And I have gotten this box for quite some time now. I'm gonna go ahead and say years, and I have never even had the smallest of problems with it. It always comes beautifully packaged, never a break, never a leak, never a crack. It's always wonderful. So I wanted to show you how they get it to you safely. So this season, the retail value of the Summer Fun box is $189. We will talk about the wine and then we'll crack into that lifestyle box. So first I have Speechless, and it's a Sauvignon Blanc, and that is what that looks like. I love the Savs, and actually I also have, we'll just skip right ahead, I have a Wicked Bliss Pinot Grigio, and these are 2 Pinot Grigio, and these are 2 of my favorite summer wines because they're so bright and light, and they just make me think of summer. I make them both cold. It is what it is. I like my white wines cold. I don't put most of them on ice, but I do make them cold. And these are both wines that I enjoy with food and just for sipping on. The Sauvignon Blanc, definitely for sipping on. Also great with meals, any meals. It's just a good all-around wine. The Pinot Grigio, pretty much the same, but I like this one with like spicy meals, Chinese food that's hot and spicy, or just anything spicy. I think a Pinot goes really well with. And then my third wine is a red, because I have the mixed wines come, and you can choose all white, all red. They have an all sweet, so you could get all sweet wines, or you can get a mix like I do. And this one is a Tines Merlot. And this is where I always say, truth be told, reds aren't my personal favorite. I do drink them because I do like them with like a steak or maybe a nice hamburger. I like them like that. But my husband loves reds. They're his preference. He doesn't love whites so much. So I get the mix because I'm a giver. So I get the white and the red, but you can choose one or the other, or sweets, or the blend. The wines all come from California or South Africa. Okay, let's dig into the lifestyle products. We will have 5 to 6 lifestyle products in here, and it always comes in this box. This box, along with the crates that the wines were in, come in a bigger outside box, so everything is so well protected. So this is like a pristine box. I love having these boxes around for like giveaways and that kind of thing. I know, not the point, but it's just a good box. I'm like a kid at Christmas. I like the toys, but I also enjoy the boxes. Ooh, I see a towel. When we get it open, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So we have our paperwork that will tell us a little bit about each of the products. And again, those are the products. I used to come up with a glass of wine from a previous box to drink while I made this video because I do enjoy a show and tell. But I discovered if I was taping like I am today a few videos, that could be slightly problematic. This lets us know that it is the Vinyl Summer Fun box. And look, there's a nice puzzle on the back, word search. I like word searches. I used to buy the word search books for traveling. That's not at all on point. This will let us know a little bit about everything that we have inside overall, and then each thing will also have its own page. So digging in right off the top, we have this. I have no idea what this is yet. And through the miracle of glasses, it is the Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray, perfect for summer, and it is fresh. This is from the Lifestyle Co. We have seen these before in like FabFitFun. Actually, I think I used one last summer, and that is what it looks like. It is 4 ounces. I'm gonna put a little on myself. Look, you know what? Let's make sure that it's for me and not a room spray before I spray. Oh no, it's an after sun. Your house doesn't care about after sun. It would not be the first time I had accidentally sprayed myself with a room spray. This has a wow, $42 value, and it says, oh yes, reset and refresh your skin with the Lifestyle Co.'s After Sun Spray. A combination of soothing aloe, mint, and lavender, this spray has a calming scent that will help to moisturize and hydrate sun-drenched skin after a long day in the sun. You will never leave home this summer without it. Pro tip, keep it in the fridge for extra cooling effects and shake gently before use. Okay. It has no sulfates, parabens, artificial colors or fragrances, synthetic chemicals, or harsh exfoliants. Cruelty-free and vegan. Okay. Since we definitely know what it's for me, let's see what it smells like. Oh, after the first one, of course now I'm going to smell like it a lot. I hope it's good. Oh, it is. Oh, that's nice. Oh, slightly. I like the scent, I will tell you. I find it slightly masculine. I don't know, maybe there's like pine in it. What did I say was in it? Because it has something that's slightly masculine. Aloe, mint, and lavender. I get no lavender from this, almost like a pine. I like it. I would absolutely spray it on myself post-sun, but the scent is so universal. I think that my husband would let me spray him with this too. That actually takes it up a notch because I like it when the things that are in my beach or pool bags we'll both use, so I love that. Coffee break, because I don't have wine. Okay, out next we have a My Amazing Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner and Detangler. It moisturizes, protects, and controls frizz. It's 6.78 ounces, and that is what it looks like. Let's find it in the book. This has a $12 value, and it says, My Amazing Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner and Detangler works as a softening treatment with an all-in-one formula for all hair types. Formulated with essential extracts along with 100% vegan and preservative-free components, this leave-in helps restore moisture, smoothness, and shine while protecting hair from humidity, frizz, and thermal heat elements such as flat irons and blow dryers. Okay, well, let's see what this smells like, because you guys know we've talked about it. I will always talk about it. I can't use hair products if they don't smell fantastic, because this is a lot of hair and it becomes my scent for the day so often. Oh, that smells nice. It smells just like a hair product, but one that you wouldn't mind your hair smelling like. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay. 2 for 2 things I will definitely use. Next out, ooh, it's a big one. I had these in another box recently, and it was just a small one like this, and we ate it pretty quickly. It is pretty fun to have a big one. This is 3 ounces. I mean, it's, see the size of my hand? That is a really, it's like one of those things you get at Christmas that you leave sticking out of it. Yeah, that's fun. Sunflower Food Company Milk Chocolate Sunny Seeds. Indulge your sweet tooth with these milk chocolate covered sunflower seeds from the Sunflower Food Company. A great source of protein and vitamin B, these sunflower seeds are great to eat alone or as a topping on yogurt, pancakes, or ice cream. Oh, yum. And they have a $4 value. So basically, the way I read that, these are health food. They make you stronger because of the protein. 3 for 3. Loving it. Next out, we have a pair of sunglasses from Solar X. You have to love a good aviator. I said the other day when I was trying on aviators, I don't wear them as often because they have the nose pads. And when I take my glasses, like when I go into a store, I shove them up onto the top of my head, and those nose pads tend to get stuck up in my hair. So I don't wear them as often, but I do have people in my life who will love them. I like the look. This is definitely an oversized aviator. I just reached for this like I'm going to be able to read it because I have glasses on. Not those glasses. Solar X sunglasses. Major shade alert. These sunglasses from Solar X will be the perfect addition to your Sunnies collection this summer. With frames that offer a comfortable feel, adjustable nose pads, and spring hinges, these shades will provide a great fit for all facial shapes and sizes. The lenses are UV 400 and offer full sunlight protection from all forms of harmful UV sun rays. Oh, cool. And these have a $23 value. Next out, we have what I believe to be an eyeshadow palette. It is the Athena palette from Ritzy. I am not going to swatch this because I believe I have this eyeshadow palette. So let me just show you guys, and I will tuck it right back in so I can pass it along. Yes, I have this, but what I remember about it is how big the pans were. Because I remember after I opened it, looking it back up and saying, are you sure this is eyeshadows? And yes, this is just a really fun neutral eyeshadow collection. They are huge pans. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. It is gorgeous. It is so pretty. If you are someone who finds an eyeshadow palette and likes it and would just as soon use it daily, this one would give you some service. It would last quite some time. It is a $48 value, and it says the Larizzi Athena eyeshadow palette is pretty. This goddess-inspired eyeshadow palette from Larizzi offers the perfect mix of neutral and bold hues. These buttery shadows make it incredibly easy to blend out for a natural, effortless finish. This palette will definitely be a new fave in your makeup collection. Personal opinion, I don't know that I would say it has bold hues. They are all pretty neutral to my way of thinking, but it's still very pretty. Okay, and I think last out we have a towel. And it's just a pretty beach towel that's just a nice green and white stripe, which funnily enough, this really looks like summer to me. I don't know what makes it summer, but I just really like it. That's the width of it. It is huge. Let's see what we can find out. It has a $12 value, and it says Host and Home Cali Cabana Beach Towel. Oh, cute. This Cali Cabana Beach Towel is perfect for summer picnics, the beach, or the pool. Made with 100% ring spun cotton, this towel dries quickly and is compact enough to take anywhere with you. The classic fun stripes will make it easy to find your spot at the pool or the beach after taking a dip in the water. That's true. Now you'll have the perfect summer accessory to brighten up any day by the water. You're welcome. 30 by 60 and machine washable. That's here. Let me show you the picture of her since I'm not opening it all the way. It's just really pretty. I like the way that looks. That does say like cabana to me. I like it a lot. This may be, oddly enough, with all of the towels we've been getting lately, I have to tell you, this might be my favorite thing in this box. It's just like a terry towel. Everybody gets so fancy trying to give you cotton sheeting or Egyptian, or you know what? Sometimes you just like a towel to be a towel. And that's what this feels like. It feels like you want to wrap it around you when you're wet. So I really appreciate that. So in this season's Vino, we got that really pretty towel, the leave-in conditioner, my amazing, the beach mist from the Lifestyle Co., these really nice sunflower seeds, a pair of sunglasses, and the Larizzi palette. And on top of that, we have 3 bottles of wine, because while you normally get 2 bottles of wine with the subscription, if you sign up using my code Kathrin, for the life of your subscription, you will get 3 bottles of wine. It is $64.99, but you will also get, with my code, $5 off your first box. So that takes us into summer. We have our wine, we're ready to sit by the pool with our glasses and our towel, and then spray up afterwards. I am definitely putting this in my fridge. I love that I feel like it's a unisex scent, so my husband will like it. Who doesn't want to toss this in their beach bag? Love it. Okay, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm happy to help if it's something I can help with. And I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And have a great summer, guys. Bye.